Hello, everyone. Welcome to this in-depth guide where I'll walk you step by step through the process of running a successful Facebook ad to promote your Fiverr gig. Whether you're just starting or looking to maximize the visibility of your offerings, this strategy is highly effective. If your gig holds significant value, perhaps it generates a substantial income or represents a key long-term investment, using Facebook ads can be a game changer. You can leverage these ads to boost sales, gather more reviews, or promote high-value services. Whatever your goals, Facebook ads are a powerful tool to help you achieve them. Let's dive right in by exploring the Facebook Ads Manager. This is the central hub where your ad campaign journey begins. Once inside, click on the plus icon and select Ad. This action opens the Facebook ad creation interface, which is neatly divided into 3 levels: the campaign level, the ad set level, and the ad level. Each level plays a unique and essential role in structuring your ad campaign. At the campaign level, you'll set the foundation by defining your primary objective. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your page, or boost conversions? This is where you make that decision. Once your objective is clear, you'll move to the ad set level. Here, you'll refine and target your audience. You'll define parameters such as gender, interests, device preferences, like Android users, and geographic locations to make your ads as relevant as possible. Finally, at the ad level, you'll bring everything together by creating the actual advertisement. You'll select the format, whether it's a photo, video, carousel, or instant experience, and craft the messaging to captivate your audience. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a traffic ad, which is designed to drive visitors to your Fiverr gig page. The first step is to choose traffic as the campaign objective and give your campaign a clear and concise name like Traffic Campaign 1. Setting a budget is the next critical step. While I'll demonstrate with a modest budget of €1, it's more practical to allocate $200 to $250 per ad for testing purposes. This allows you to evaluate its effectiveness. If the ad performs well, you can scale up your budget. If it underperforms, you can tweak or discontinue it. A solid starting point is a daily budget of $25, running the ad for 10 days. This approach gives you enough data to assess its success without overcommitting. Once the budget is set, move to the ad set level. Here, you'll define the traffic destination, which, for our purposes, should be set to a website rather than an app, messenger, or WhatsApp. Audience refinement is the next step. An initial audience size of 38 million might seem impressive, but it's too broad to be effective. Narrow this down to a focused range of 500,000 to 2 million individuals. For instance, targeting English-speaking countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland ensures you're reaching an audience more likely to afford and appreciate premium services. Avoid targeting regions where potential customers may not have the financial means to engage with high-priced offerings. Defining the right audience is a crucial step in creating a successful Facebook ad campaign. Begin by identifying the age range of your target demographic. If your goal is to promote premium services, it's often most effective to focus on individuals aged 25 to 50. This age group tends to have a higher likelihood of investing in professional services, making them an ideal audience for platforms like Fiverr. When it comes to gender, targeting can generally remain inclusive unless your service is designed specifically for one group. For example, if your gig caters exclusively to women's fashion consulting, you might narrow your gender focus accordingly. The detailed targeting feature is particularly valuable for honing in on users who are most likely to engage with your services. Use this tool to identify people with interests and behaviors aligned with Fiverr, ensuring they already have some familiarity with the platform. This approach helps you connect with an audience that is predisposed to engaging with your gig, increasing the efficiency of your campaign. Strive to select audience categories that are specific enough to avoid wasting your budget on irrelevant users, but broad enough to provide meaningful results and sufficient reach. As you move to the placement section, you'll determine where your ads will appear across Facebook's network. Facebook offers two primary options here: automatic placements and manual placements. Choosing automatic placements allows Facebook to optimize ad delivery across all available platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. This option is both convenient and effective for maximizing your ad's exposure. On the other hand, manual placements give you more control, letting you specify the exact locations where your ad will appear. For example, you might choose to focus on Instagram stories or Facebook feeds if those placements align more closely with your target audience's habits and preferences. Next, it's time to optimize your ad based on a specific campaign goal. Facebook provides several options for optimization, including landing page views, link clicks, impressions, and daily unique reach. Each goal carries different costs and reflects varying levels of user intent. For campaigns aimed at driving traffic to service-based platforms like Fiverr, optimizing for landing page views is usually the most effective strategy. While this option may come at a slightly higher cost, it typically delivers better results by attracting users who are more likely to explore your gig and take action. At the ad creation level, start by selecting the Facebook page you want to promote. From there, choose the ad format that best suits your campaign. In this example, we'll focus on the single image format, a straightforward yet impactful choice. You can either upload a custom image that resonates with your Fiverr gig or select a relevant stock photo. Once the visual element of your ad is ready, shift your attention to crafting the primary text. Write a headline that grabs attention and a concise description that highlights the unique value of your service. Be sure to include a clickable link to your Fiverr gig, making it easy for users to learn more and take the next step. After completing these steps, click Confirm to finalize your ad. Facebook will then review your submission, a process that typically takes only a few minutes. Once approved, your ad will go live, reaching the audience you carefully selected and optimized for. Congratulations, you've successfully created a Facebook ad to promote your Fiverr gig. By following these steps, you're positioning yourself for increased traffic, greater visibility, and enhanced success on Fiverr. Thank you for following this guide, and best of luck with your campaigns.